Hello, everyone. I'm Jim Hewson, and this is Don Taylor.
Try again.
I'm Jim Taylor, and this is Don Hewson.
Nope.
Okay. I'm Don Taylor, and this is Jim Hewson.
Good job, Don.
Thanks.
Spot check. Joseph shuts the door.
The shot was rejected like an old girlfriend.
Yager with the puck. Fires it from the left. Denis turned the shot away. Yager. He jumps on the loose puck. Chelios, wrist shot, saved by Denis.
If he can see it, he can stop it.
Marshall had the puck. Taken out. Whitney scoops up the loose puck. Smoked.
He's into leveling at a higher level.
Robitaille. Yager. Fires from the left. Denis turned the shot aside. Denis hangs on for the whistle. Holder dropped his stick quickly and is grimacing in pain.
Might be his wrist.
We figured his injury may be too bad to play with.
And we were right. He's going to the locker room.
Viborny. Shatan. Smolinski grabs the puck. Fires it! Denied by Denis!
The goalie really understands the concept of positioning.
LeChance. Salavanov fires! Smolinski jumps on the loose puck. Shatan. He's been brought down on a clear-cut breakaway.
That's going to bring a penalty shot for sure. He'll get his chance for vengeance and justice and all that good stuff.
Shatan against number 30, Mark Denis.
Shatan gets hold of the puck. Oh, nice save there. The face-off goes to Detroit. Lidstrom. Chelios takes control of the puck. Blasts it from the right. Saved by Denis.
Maybe the shooter zigged when he should have zagged.
Chelios. Shoots it. Denis makes the save. He came up with a puck,
which is way better than a rabbit.
And he hangs on to the puck. Harkins. He gets laid out.
Pain, go away. Don't come again another day.
Chelios. Denis kicked it aside.
And a save is born.
Chelios knocks the net off and play is stopped. Salavanov. Viborny now with the puck. Columbus scoops it up. LeChance goes offside and the play is stopped. Viborny. LeChance returns it. He gets laid out. Finley scoops up the loose puck. Brewer. Lemieux. Fires! Scores! Incredible shot. That'll put a tear in your eye.
Yeah, and I think the goalie's going to do a little crying too. He wired it home one-timer style because that's what needed doing.
Detroit goal, his 20th.
Whitney now has the puck. It's 2-on-1. Marshall grabbed the puck.
By number 66, Mario Lemieux, and by number 9, Timu Solani.
Icing called against Detroit.
Truck show next weekend for a sneak peek.
Marshall looks to be in a great deal of pain.
He got hit in the head, and that looked pretty severe. I'd really like to be proven wrong.
That man will take a rest, at least for a little while.
He could still be back in this game, though.
Williams, shot blocked. Viborny, it's 1-on-1. He gets hold of the puck. Shoots! Detroit now with it. Nylander with a wrist shot. Denis turned the shot away. A delayed penalty call against Lidstrom.
The first period.
Shoots it! Glove save by Joseph!
He has the opposing players shaking their heads out there.
Put the first period in the books. Detroit has the lead.
This team is playing a physical, grinding game, Jim, and you can see it starting to wear down their opponents.
Hi, and welcome back to the second period of action. Let's go down and see what's happening, Don. Salavanov.
How come when I try that, I always end up falling on my face?
Timonen now with the puck. Ference takes it. Salavanov shoots! Joseph denied him! Yzerman. Lidstrom has served his penalty, and that puts his team back on even footing. Ferenc jumps on the loose puck. Sillinger takes it. Whitney now has it. It's one-on-one. Fires hard. Missed the net. Sillinger gets pushed off the puck.
He crushed him like some kind of mystical crushing machine from medieval times? Oh, man. I need a better writer.
Robitaille, this shot.
Now there's one puppy you don't want to call your own.
Did you see how he put that puck exactly where he wanted it?
Man, he could play darts with that wrist shot.
Detroit now ahead by 2 early in the second.
What a vibrant, full-bodied lead, full of shimmer and shine.
Ferenc knocks the puck loose.
That hit, all about wasted potential.
The Blue Jackets stump it. Whitney takes control. Chelios. Robitaille gets it. Yager with a wrist shot. Saved by Denis.
There's some quality goaltending there, Jimbo.
Viborny LeChance controls the puck. Shoots! Smolinski. Salavanov now with the puck. Offside, Colmbus. The face-off goes to Detroit. Yzerman got the puck. Lemieux fires it. Denis hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux wins the draw. Brewer fired it hard. Viborny. Timonen takes possession of the puck. Lemieux, it's one-on-one. Fires! Stick save.
The key to making saves is timing.
Viborny. Sillinger.
That confirms it, Jim. He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Whitney grabs the puck. Sillinger now with it. He dumps it. Colmbus puts its checking line out. Solani gets dropped. Brewer. Yzerman took the puck. Mowed down. Tinkrat scoops up the loose puck. Right grabs it. Donato. Right corrals it. The door is shut by Joseph.
And the only red light that came on there was the stoplight.
Nieuwendyk. Donato with the puck.
It looks like these two are trying to start something. I'm pretty sure it's a fight, Jim.
And there's our winner.
Looks like major punishment has got him lying at attention.
Nummelin runs over Robitaille.
A 5-minute major for
Yager had the puck.
to number 6.
Denis turns him away.
Note how he directed that shot away from the net. He's one step ahead of the play at all times.
Delayed call against Deneen. Deneen gets called for elbowing.
In metric time, he's taken a penalty for 2.21 millidays. Or in standard time, 2 minutes.
Colmbus will play some short-handed hockey.
Time to see what their defense is made of.
Lidstrom, Solani.
Last minute of play.
Robitaille gets the puck. Solani has it now. Deneen returns his team to full strength as he's completed his penalty.
There's the cool buzzer sample to tell us the first is over.
Detroit really putting on the hits.
And it's put them ahead to the tune of 2. I think I've run out of ways to welcome people back to the game.
So be it. Sillinger. Whitney gets bumped off the puck. Fires it! Colmbus is watching in horror. One of their players can't get up. The trainer's helping him out of here, so he must be in some pain.
But he could still return, Jim. He could still return.
Lidstrom takes his stick in both hands and really nails his opponent.
I know he got caught up in the heat of the moment, but cross-checking is a bad thing to do.
Stumpel wins face-offs like they're going out of style.
I hear they're still big in Milan, along with vinyl knee-high pumps and gold lame accessories.
Bored again last night?
Well, maybe.
Shatan. Nieuwendyk grabbed the puck. Denis stoned him cold. Brewer. Offside. Lemieux knocks him off the puck. Timonen gets in the way. Whitney. Sillinger shoots the puck. Colmbus takes over. Feierst gets laid out. Offside. Deneen. Whitney, quick shot. Oh, he missed. Sillinger takes control of the puck. Yager, Lidstrom moved it. Denny with a great save.
The kind of save legends are made of.
Whitney jumps on the loose puck. Sillinger shoots it. Yager. Robitaille. Yager controls the puck. Spacek. Sillinger took the puck.
Through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Smolinski, saved by Denis.
That save was noteworthy, or I wouldn't be talking right now.
Salavanov. White knocks the puck loose.
Bang, bang, boom!
Nieuwendyk. Caberlet grabs it. Fired it hard from the left. Denis made the save. Denis hangs on for the whistle.
Why not rent one of our luxury boxes? All boxes feature great views, waiter service, and free merchandise.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Door slammed shut by Denis. This goalie's been quietly working his way towards a shutout.
He's getting a lot of help from his team, though, Jim. He hasn't faced many shots.
Brewer. Salavanov scoops up the loose puck. Stumple shoots. Solani. Lemieux, wrist shot. Denis, close the door. Right. Brewer takes possession of the puck. Lemieux. Yzerman on a breakaway. Shot it! Stoned by Denis!
He's on a one-man mission to purge the net of pucks, one shot at a time.
Denis will watch the rest of the game from the bench. Feierst grabbed the puck. Spacek. Sillinger, hard shot. Colmbus gets it. Chelios skewers Denis.
Guys with hits like that usually end up with a few Grammys in their closet.
Whitney takes control of the puck. Sillinger shoots. Joseph stones him.
He's blocking pucks like there's no tomorrow.
Empty netter.
Detroit goal.
Dann Abo.
15th of the season.
Smolinski scoops up the loose puck. Nieuwendyk got it.
68 and by number
Shot quickly. Wright is hurt.
This looks very bad. Could be something to do with his hip.
Dann Abo with the puck. He mows over Tinkrat.
If you believe the cartoons, he must have eaten a can of spinach before that one.
Lidstrom takes control of the puck. Yager. Shot from the corner. Stone cold by Denis. Put it in the books. Detroit has won it.
And this was a David and Goliath story if I've ever seen one. These guys battled the odds all night long and came out on top.
Tonight's third star for